All right, so here are the 3 concepts that changed my sex life forever. So the first one is that you control your sexual experience. Now, I don't usually like using the word control, but what it does say is that you are empowered to alter the way that you are having sex, the way you're seeing sex, and how you're experiencing it. So this completely takes you out of the victim mentality and puts you more into the creator mentality. So you no longer see, the sexual experience is like, oh, well, like you're doing this wrong and that's not enough. You start to take ownership of how am I showing up into the experience? What is it about me that I need to understand or learn about when I show up in the experience? Another thing is there is consciousness in everything, including sex. So there's a saying that sex affects your consciousness and your consciousness affects how you have sex. So within that space, the more you become aware of your beliefs, your limitations, the resistance you have in your body, any subconscious beliefs, you're able to bring that into light, bring that into awareness, and it starts to change your experiences. Now, of course, I'm sure you're aware it's going to change your experience in your day-to-day life, but it also comes to intimacy too. And your body is alive and it's talking to you. So because your body is conscious, it is really crazy how much intuition we hold within our body. And within my teachings, when I started that tantric path, there was a lot of learning about how to listen to my body and what it was saying. And it's even funny to me that you can literally just breathe into a part of your body and it starts to talk to you. Like one of the main exercises that I do with clients is breathing into the mind, the heart, and the sex organ. And you start to realize, actually, they're having conversations. Sometimes they're not aligned. Sometimes they have different desires. So how can we really be more aware of what our body wants and each parts of us want to bring that more into alignment?